If you don't think that 5 minutes a day can completely change your booty, then I'm going to prove you wrong. And we're going to do that 5 minute workout today. So let's get into it. Hey there, warriors. Ready to uplift your booty and mood in just 5 minutes? Grab your bands and let's transform the stress into strength. This workout is a quick pick-me-up, whether it's to kickstart your day, recharge during lunch, or unwind in the evening. Let's get moving and stimulate those feel-good chemicals with some empowering moves. All right, just a few light stretches here. Do however you would like. Let's grab some bands and we're gonna work that booty. Let's go down on the floor first. I have some heavy bands, and that's what I would suggest for these bridge lifts. We're going to do them for about 45 seconds. So just put your arms down at your side and lift. Try to get your back up first before you get your booty in the air, and squeeze those glutes at the top. You're doing amazing, and welcome back, and thank you so much for working out with me. I'm telling you, this quick 5-minute booty workout has been game-changing. Like, I've totally noticed the difference, and it's just great. Make sure that you are raising the corner of your mouth and smiling through this as well. All right, we're going to do alternating leg lifts. We're going to go for 30 seconds on each leg. Keep it smooth and controlled. The best part about this is that we're laying on the floor. It's kind of nice, huh? But we're still working our booty. Lift up. Again, try to get the highest part of your booty up in the air first, and then move down to your booty and then the top part of your leg. We're making sure these bands are nice and secure. All right, we're going to stay on the floor, but I would suggest you get a lighter band for this one. We're going to do some leg lifts, up and over leg lifts. We're going to do about 30 seconds on each side. Now just try to lift your leg up and over to the other leg. Put your hand on your booty to make sure you know that you're working. Don't forget to lift those corners of your mouth and smile through this. I promise it will make the biggest difference on your mood, which is a big part of what we're working here, is just to get a little mood booster as well, because it will do it for you. All right, switch over to the other leg, up and over. Try to lift that leg as high as you can. Slightly put your hand on there just to make sure that you're doing it right. You're doing amazing. You got this. Remember, this is only 5 minutes. So we're about halfway through the entire workout. All right, after this, we are going to move up to the floor. I would take this off and see if you can handle a little bit heavier of a band as we move through some moving squats. So place the band above your knees and squat your way to stronger with these moving booty band squats. I just like to put my hands here in the middle for balance, just to kind of help me move through. Remember, smile. You got this. You're doing amazing. All right, one more move after this. You guys are doing awesome. Put your hands on your booty to make sure your booty is moving as well. Got this. All right, so let's take it off. I would still use a heavier band for this. The first time you can use a lighter one, but put it underneath the ball of your foot and lift up. I like to call these Crossfoot Band Lifts. And you're just lifting with the opposite arm. You can kind of put your hand on your hip or your glutes just to make sure that you're kind of sealing in those gains, I like to say. And over, make sure you're keeping a strong core as well. And don't arch your back as you do these either. Switching over to the other leg, switch the hand, switch the foot, bring it up. We're going about 45 seconds on these, on each one here. You guys are doing fantastic, moving through these. I mean, the amazing thing about this is only 5 minutes. Anybody can handle 5 minutes, right? Be able to feel this. Feel this in your muscles. Embrace that pain for the long-term gain, guys. All right, and that's it. We're just going to take a couple deep breaths here, and then we'll do a little stretch, and we will finish it up. You can move on with your day. Sit on the floor with me. We're going to do a little crossover stretch, figure 4 stretch, I like to call it. Relax in this position and thank your body for the hard work that it did. Here you're stretching your glutes, your hips, and even your lower back. Push and see if you can just really feel that. Soak in the amazing 5 minutes of work that you just did. And I'm telling you, consistency on these is key. It's not intensity. It's just consistency that will make a difference. Big, deep breath in here. Again, thank your body for what you did. You've rejuvenated your body in just 5 minutes. Keep up the great work and come back next week for another dose of energy and wellness. Love you so much. Hit that sub button and I'll see you next time.